Welcome to Click for IB Biology. We are studying topic B3.2, transport, and we're now looking at transport in plants. And in this particular video, we're going to be relating plant structure to the transport systems within plants. There's a PDF of this presentation linked into the description down below, and there's also 10 questions with answers that you can use to chart your own progress. So in this overview of plant transport, we're largely focusing on the larger issues and in particular on the process of transpiration, which is the movement of water around plants. And of course, the movement of water in plants, water is taken in through the roots, conducted up through the stem, out along the petioles to the leaves, where that water is lost through stomatal pores. We'll be looking at the mechanisms that account for how water, 95% of the water that moves through a plant is actually evaporated from the leaf, that only 1% of that water is actually involved in photosynthesis or the turgidity of the tissues, and how the 95% movement of water results in these functional consequences of evapotranspiration, of in fact a cooling mechanism for the plant. A large part of our focus in these mechanisms is on the organ, the leaf, and in particular the structure that we'll be looking at will be the dicotyledonous leaf. At this level, we should look at the leaf as having, as we can see here, a large surface area. So that large surface area of the leaf blade allows for the absorption of light. And of course, we could link this to a topic of photosynthesis and the way in which light is harvested in that particular process. But here we're going to be focusing on the functional consequences of this absorption of light, which is the rapid evaporation of water from leaves. And for that, we need to also consider another structural feature of leaves, which of course is that when viewed in transection, the leaf is very, very thin. And this thin nature of the leaf is a clear indication that what we have are short diffusion distances, and in this case that will be for the movement of water vapor as it escapes from the stomatal pores. So this is just a short overview of the features that we will now examine in more detail, and to do that we'll move forward to the next video, which is a consideration of the actual evaporation from the leaf. There's a chance to subscribe to the channel, which is greatly appreciated, and the entire playlist for this topic on the right hand side there.